Kid coding here and there. Why should kid even learn how to code? In this video, I am going to share with you the advantages of kid coding experience and why you should take your kid to learn how to code. My name is Patugu II. If you are ready, let's get straight into it. Number 1. Problem-solving skill. Kids who engage themselves with computer coding understand how things work. It teaches them how software engineers use mathematics to solve societal problems logically. Problem-solving capabilities is very useful to life in general. Learning to code will help children to learn and master problem-solving techniques. Number 2. Coding develop resilience. Children who learn to code develop the ability to bounce back after experiencing failures. This makes them understand the failure is not necessarily a bad thing, but an opportunity to learn and get better. Failing and trying again to code correctly helps you to learn from your mistakes. These motivate children to try and keep trying until they succeed. This is very good for child training. Number 3. Enhancement of thinking capabilities. Programming is not just about writing lines of code, but teaching children how to think differently. The ability to effectively code computer programs requires logical thinking. Children need to be able to break large problems into small, manageable pieces and solve them one after another. This technique helps children who learn how to code to use their thinking capabilities to understand vague ideas and turn them into something more effective. People with this kind of thinking are highly sought for. Number 4. Ignite creativity in kids. Another advantage of learning to code is that programming generally teaches people to experiment and gives them more confidence to be more creative. Children usually need motivation to continue to learn, just like in learning a new language or how to play with musical equipment. Coding is pretty easy to learn, especially for children. This helps them to boost their confidence. Please subscribe to this channel. Also, remember to click on the like button so that others will see this video. Number 5. The future works in coding. Considering the development of the world, coding is an extremely useful skill for every kid. So many businesses, institutions, and organizations are relying on computer automation for their business processes. Kids who learn how to code will have employment opportunities that will be available in the future. It does not really matter the industry where they have an interest, as coding is useful for every walk of life. Number 6. Understand math applications. In actual sense, coding is the language of mathematics. If coding is taught in every school, children can improve their mathematics skill while learning how to code. If students apply their calculation and logical skills while creating their own computer code, this will make math fun and engaging. Number 7. It is fun to code. Educational games have been used in the past to help kids to play and learn at the same time. Coding is another tool that will enable children to learn and have fun together. You can give them different code challenges and rewards to motivate them. Kids can also build their own games using a programming language for game development with the help of their coding skills. I hope you enjoyed the list. Remember to subscribe if you have not done so. If you have any question, use the comment section below. I will personally attend to it. Until next video, bye for now.